Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan Ruiz and this is my kitchen. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit share, like, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. Videos uploaded every Thursday. Today we're going to do white chocolate chip cookies for the inner cookie monster in you. Yum, 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 yum. Let's get started.
We're going to go ahead and add 3/4 of brown sugar as well as 3/4 of granulated sugar. And now we want to go ahead and combine.
Ew, it looks like sand. Are we building a sand castle?
We also want 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter or butter, however you want to call it, melted.
We're gonna need 1 whole egg. Hey look, it looks like an emoji without eyes.
We're also going to need 1 egg yolk. Alright, here comes my skill set on how to separate an egg yolk from the egg whites. Drum roll please. You're also going to need about 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you want to combine together, and now you want to add the white chocolate morsels. Oh yeah.
Okay, now that we let our cookie dough rest for about 15 minutes in the fridge, we're gonna go ahead and remove it from the fridge so we can start forming our cookie spheres. A good trick or hack, as they say nowadays, put a little Spam on your gloves before handling your cookie dough. That way it just doesn't get sticky in your hands. Now we're going to take our cookie dough and just make small little spheres, a little smaller than a golf ball. Place them here. Okay, now that we got our cookie spheres already done, we're going to go ahead and place it in the oven and then eat.
Easy there, white chocolate. Wouldn't want you to melt.
All right, guys, the moment of truth. Time to eat the cookies. Oh, yeah. Let me take this one right here. Douche. See you on the next video.